In today's video lecture, we will discuss about Richard Lovelace. Richard Lovelace was an English poet of the 17th century. He was also a Cavalier poet. Richard Lovelace was born in 1617 at Woolwich, London, and died in 1658 in London. He died as a misery and poverty life. He was the oldest son of Sir William Lovelace and Anne Barn Lovelace. His father was a soldier who was killed during the war with Spain and Holland in 1627. He was educated at Charterhouse School and at Gloucester Hall, Oxford. At Oxford, he wrote a comedy, The Scholars, and a tragedy, The Soldiers. He was an important figure at court. King Charles and Queen Henrietta Maria were so impressed by his works. He accompanied Charles I on his expedition to quell the Scots rebellion of 1639–40. He was an English poet in the 17th century and a Cavalier poet who fought on behalf of the king during the Civil War. Now here are some most important poems of Richard Lovelace. The first one is To Aldea from Prison. Second is To Lucasta Going to the Wars, The Grasshopper, The Snail, The Scrutiny. To Aldea from Prison and To Lucasta Going to the Wars are the most important poems of Richard Lovelace. Let's discuss about the poem To Aldea from Prison. It was published in 1642. He wrote the poem while imprisoned in Gatehouse Prison adjoining Westminster Abbey due to his effort to have the Clergy Act 1640 annulled. Here I mentioned a famous quote, that is, stone walls do not a prison make, nor iron bars a cage. These lines have taken from the final stanza, first lines. Now, here is another work of Richard Lovelace, To Lucasta Going to the Wars. It is a lyric poem, was published in 1649. Lucasta is a collection of Lovelace poems. The theme of this poem is the importance of honor and beauty. Who is Lucasta? The identity of the woman to whom Lovelace addresses is unknown. She may even have been a product of Lovelace's imagination. Now, the theme of the poem is importance of honor and beauty. Now, here is another poet who was best known for his lyrics, an English Cavalier poet or courtier and dramatist also. He was born in 1609, Vitton, England, and died in Paris, France. And his father's name was John Suckling and educated at Westminster School, Trinity College, Cambridge. Here are some most important works of John Suckling. Aglaura and A Session of the Poets are the most notable and important or popular works of those times and today also. Aglaura is staged in 1637 and published in 1638. It was a comedy. The Goblin 1638, much influenced by Shakespeare. The Tempest. The said one is a drama which was unfinished because owing to the outbreak of civil wars. His poems like Love's World, Farewell to Love are most reminiscent of Donne. Here are some lines which was given by Ligures and Congreve for John Suckling. Ligures praised him for his ability to write charming verse of nothing, and Congreve calls him natural, easy Suckling because of his easy writings, easy to understand writings.